So the next question is, so Ashik, how do you capture screenshot and videos in Cypress test?
Actually, the Cypress capture screenshots and videos automatically during the test to it aid for the debugging and more analysis. For my previous all of the automation project, I configured this one automatically to capture a screenshot on the test failure and the record videos for test run. I achieved this by setting that there is a command like screenshot on run failure. This is a specific command to do this, and I have to configure it in my Cypress.json file. Otherwise, it won't be working. So after enabling this, the Cypress will automatically take screenshots and video if any test case, any test API request, anything if fails, then it would quickly identify and resolve this issue by capture screenshot and videos.
Got it.